When I think back to that first night we met at Tap House, I had no idea how much my life was about to change for the better. You are, without question, the best birthday present I could have ever asked for.
And naturally, you were dressed like Taylor Swift. You kissed me at a bar in San Francisco, and I'll never forget how I felt in that moment. Wow, this rocks.
You've supported me through every high and every low, through school, and then more school, and then even more school. I vow to choose us every day in the little moments and the big ones.
I vow to never let either of us get complacent.
I vow to love you when it's easy, and especially when it's hard.
I vow to communicate, so you never have to guess what I'm thinking or how I'm feeling.
I can't wait to keep building this beautiful life together. I know home will always be wherever I'm with you. I love you.
I love you, Paisley Mayberry. Always have, always will.
Still I fall. Yeah, I'm falling for you.